We are a deeply interconnected, interdependent, cooperative people. Across the globe, from country to country, state to state, every day, you interact with people in their many roles, with their many perspectives. Perspectives and roles just like you. And you notice when it's not quite right, when people don't join in, they hold back, exiles, where some are just so interested in control, managers, and those who'll do anything to try and help. All of these people are represented inside you as psychological parts. So we're going to explore the use of humour, Schwartz's internal family systems, and physicalization to make some changes that'll help you navigate the world better. Remapping your many selves.